If you want to become ultimately productive, don't focus on your goals, focus on your daily systems. Because your daily systems and daily habits determine your success in life and work. And what are the primary things you need to get done on a given day? I need specific systems, for example, to accomplish the things which can only be accomplished with a second brain, like this one here, which only works for me and not for anyone else. But this video should inspire you to start considering using a second brain. So the reason for that is pretty simple. We have goals, daily habits, daily systems, and then the second brain in between. And this video is number 1 in a series, and there are 4 more videos are coming up. So consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon to ensure you don't miss them. Let's start the video. Milanode is my visual system and has one primary goal. It is quick and easy. I send and put everything into Milanode, including visuals and copied text, as you can see here. This can also be YouTube videos, thumbnails, reels, shorts, images, and also text. Everything will be organized with the para method from Tiago Forte, but I get into more details in the next video because the next video, which will be published in the series, is entirely dedicated for Milanode and its system, so you can build by yourself. So all the information is sent to the Milanode inbox, which is this one here. As I mentioned before, text, thumbnail, etc. And this can be from an iPhone, iPad, or browser. Using Milanode is nothing complex and does not have much to do with a real second brain. But it builds a simple foundation to extend into better systems. So coming to part number 2 is Notion. And Notion's primary goal is to tick the task and manage and execute the projects. And my personal Notion system is pretty simple built. First of all, I have the 90-day challenge and the big goal outcome. Then I have the monthly goals and weekly projects. Then I have my content systems like thumbnails, title, steps, etc. Then I have my daily tracker and then the management task. I give you a short teaser how it actually looks like. So first of all, this is my template and system I'm using every single day in Notion. We have the daily tracker, as mentioned before. We have the 12-week system, which is the 90-day challenge in some ways. Then you also see this is the videos which might come up this week. So probably just uploading these 2 videos here. And then next week is, for example, the next video, which is this one about Milanode, then about Kortex and about Notion. Then I also have the management system with the thumbnails and everything, the next videos which are coming up and step by step. So this is kind of how it works. And yeah, that's the old rest, which is not too important for you. And everything in my Notion template or system is built on my 90-day system. And also my weekly goals and project are supported by my 12-week system, which is part of my 90-day challenge. And this is part of the system. So everything here will be sent directly to here. So I know what I need to do in this week as a project and task. And these are the tasks as well with different structuring. So coming to the last software I use for my second brain is Kortex. And Kortex primary reason is actually idea generation and writing. Kortex is actually my primary second brain because it perfectly aligns with my writing and idea generation. Although this could also be built in Notion, but I prefer the writing functions in Kortex, and that's the reason I use it primarily. There could be, for example, visual ideas from Milanode sent to Kortex, or ideas from reading in Readwise Reader, which is a specific app, and all of these things are automatically stored in the highlight feature in Kortex. Because I need to educate others and also I like to educate myself, so I write half of my work time, and that's also the reason why I primarily use Kortex, because of the writing task, and then the rest is mostly a combination of Notion and Milanode, and also can be done while writing or after writing. And yeah, that is actually my entire second brain structure, and I hope it gives you the option to consider the second brain I've built or create your own ones for your individual needs. So as I mentioned before, this video is an inspiration how my structure is built on, and the next following videos are going into more details about Milanode, then about Kortex, and the last one will be about Notion, because the Notion one is a bit more complex and also takes a bit more time to break down. And also, once you understand how a second brain works, your way of thinking and productivity honestly skyrocket. Please trust me on this because I'm doing it for quite a while, and also after having in my own company, I wish I knew that this stuff would help me so much more. If you want more information, consider joining the challenge in the link below, the problem-solving newsletter, or get my Notion operating system, which can also be purchased down below if you want. Otherwise, there are other videos how you can build it by yourself if you don't want to spend any amounts of money and rather take the time to build it by yourself. The rest of the information is down below, and thanks very much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.